In this video, we're going to learn about how to define and use custom fields in LucidWorks. Most documents you'll want to search on with LucidWorks have a standard set of fields and values already defined. For example, Office documents will have titles and authors, and most web content has keywords and descriptions. These are values you'll very often want to use when you search. Some content will also have custom fields. For example, you might have data on an e-commerce site that has product names and part numbers. In this video, we're going to show you how LucidWorks can take advantage of these custom fields and how they can be used to improve your search. I'm going to go ahead and log into LucidWorks now. And our first step in capturing the custom fields present in our documents within LucidWorks is to actually create a new empty field where those values can be stored. So I'm going to click on the collection we're using in this example, and I'll mouse over the Indexing tab and then click on Fields. This is a list of the standard fields that are already defined, so I'm going to click on Add New Field to add a new custom field where our data can be stored. In this example, we're going to be working with product pages from an e-commerce site, and all of those product pages, all the products on those product pages have a product category. It's called P category. The field type should be text_en. The field should be indexed, and I'm going to make it a facet for our example. And the field should be stored and included in the results. So once you've chosen these four options, which are pretty standard, you want to click Save. And you'll see at the bottom that we have our new custom field in LucidWorks, but it's not being filled in with any data now, at this point anyway. So to fix that, I'm going to go back up to the top here, and I'm going to click on Data Sources. What we need to do now is map the fields in our documents to this new empty custom field within LucidWorks. So select the proper data source in the menu here, and then click on Edit Mapping. What we see here are two columns that constitute a field mapping inside of LucidWorks. The left column being that field inside your actual documents from the crawler's metadata, to the right field being a field inside Solr, which is inside LucidWorks. So you want to go to the bottom and click Add Another Entry. Now at the beginning of this entry, whatever the name of the metadata within your documents, you need to put meta underscore in front of that. In our case, the name of our metadata inside our documents is P category, so I'm going to type in meta P category. And we're going to map that data in the documents to the field we just created within LucidWorks, which is called P category. Once you've typed in those values, click on Save. You'll see that it says Mappings for Data Source P category example updated. Now, in order to actually see the work we've just completed here, we need to re-index the collection. So I'm going to click on Status, and I'm going to go to the bottom of the page here and click on Start Crawl. And we have a very small collection, so it's already finished. I'll go up to Search, and I'm going to enter in a query that will bring back all of our documents. And you can see over here to the right there's a facet called P category that represents the custom field we just created within LucidWorks. And it functions just like all the standard fields and facets that are already included. You can see I've entered some test values for product categories here that I can use to filter by. So that's how you create and use custom fields within LucidWorks. Thanks for watching.